Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money fast in my winter car. So first of all, in this particular game, the winter conditions make driving harder, but firewood is still one of the best early ways to earn cash. So you can cut down the nearby trees, crop them and load the woods properly into your vehicle. You can stack them neatly so that nothing falls out on the road. Then you just have to drive slowly to the buyer. Avoid any crashing because repairs cost money. A full load also pays well and it can be repeated as many times as you want, which means steady income even at the start of the game. Around the map, certain characters give the tasks like deliveries or repair related jobs or the transport work. So these often pay better than the simple activities but need careful driving and attention to instructions. Always read the task text fully, follow the directions, and don't rush. Completing these jobs without damage gives you the clean profit and also helps you explore the map and unlock more opportunities later. Now, making money fast isn't only about earning, it's also about not losing it. So, avoid unnecessary upgrades and cosmetic part early game. Focus on the cash, on the fuel, tools, and the items required for the job. You can drive safely so that you don't pay for towing or repairs. Simply avoiding the crashes can also save more money than some early jobs make. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.